What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make a custom channel art for your YouTube page. So at first, if you don't know what custom channel art is, if you go to your channel, then you can see this type of picture. That's a horizontal bar kind of picture. So you can make it by many different ways, but I'm gonna show you the shortest and the simplest way. So at first we need a photo editing app. You can use any, you can do it on your phone, you can do it on your PC, laptop. GIMP is a free photo editing app for photoshopping. You can do lots of things, but today we are going to use it for simple purpose to create this art. So the size of the resolution of the picture that you should create, so it's 2560 times 1440. I've set a link down the description where you can download this bar. This bar is really helpful. So let's get started with the GIMP. At first, open GIMP. It should look like this. To create a better channel art, you should think of a great design yourself, like backgrounds that would fit your channel art. Like you can put this kind of things, look, you can put this kind of backgrounds, maybe this type, and the resolution should be 2560 times 1440 is the default resolution that you want. So guys, the resolution should be 2560 times 1440. That's the resolution that we want, and the picture that I showed to you was this. Open as layers, open as layers, and the picture should be in the description. Pixart, this one. So the middle one is the photo that would be in our channel. You should get an idea how much to adjust it, how much text can you adjust, or logo, or some writings, your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, anything you should adjust within this range. And you should do all the things like I've already done some stuffs, like this is the Facebook, Twitter, Insta, Snapchat logos. That's my name. The text that that I use personally liked was, you can look right here, Lucida Calligraphy Italy. So this is the custom font that I use, and logo that I made, PNG logo. So it's like a PNG cutout. First you should check it. So this is the easy way. So you can look under this space, you can adjust many things you can like. Only this space will be visible in mobile devices and PC. After you manage that thing, that horizontal bar, you should remove this layer, delete layer, and the thing that would be shown like this is the final product. You can use PNG, other PNG stuffs too. You can simply go to Google and search the thing you like. .png file should be downloaded, original PNG file, and you can make a custom channel art. And after you make this, you can simply go to your YouTube from desktop and go click on the camera button right here, drag a photo right here, and the channel art. Like the channel art should be like this one. It will take few seconds to load in your picture, and you can see how it looks on different devices. The devices preview, TV, it would be full screen, mobile phone, desktop, or you can adjust a crop. If it's too small to be visible, then you can adjust a crop like this. And after all that you do is select, and it would be uploaded here. So that's how you make channel art. All the links would be in the description, and like if you haven't, subscribe if you like my channel. I upload gaming stuffs all the time.